Aceh brings pride to me for its cultural heritage, a city that is rich of history and a place blessed with the beautiful and amazing natural resources. Since I was young, I grew with Islamic law which is still strong, because Aceh is Ramo Mekah, where the influence of Islamic culture is huge in locals' lifestyle. I believe that the young generation is the peak of the nation. As an Inong Aceh, I want to work with all of you to ensure that our young generation has concern and pride in regional tourism and culture. I'm Dinda Salsabila, representative of Gumo Pasai, Inong Aceh Utara 2022.